This is almost like a acetylene welding plant. You understand? This plant almost, it's an electrical plant, but it used almost like a acetylene plant, acetylene welding, such as this is the arc. You understand? See, all protective. That down here is all plastic, so I could hold it. And this is this side around here. See my son all the way there, but nothing is on, so my son's is all around same way. Nothing is on to shock or anything like that, but this is the grounds that anything that I've trying to weld, and I will also do just like this and grounds it. And when I grounds it and I go like this with this rod, and I touch here and everywhere, you understand, I also can use it to weld here and there, also inside of the front of my yard. And this is also another high voltage line that any small items I can also use, and just hold this right here by this little rubber and sparks it right there on the top of that another spark plug right there. This is my voltmeter, you know, this is my voltmeter that I use. And also I does not have a professional welding glass, so I also create this glass right here. It's a broken welding glass, you know, from the back of the glass, wrapped with a little piece of black tape, you know, so I'll be looking through one side. And this right here does not really necessary. This is like the power supply that I've used to power up this unit. You understand? These are some magnet that I've coiled over, and this inside here you could see it actually in the middle. It's a magnet that sends out magnified current. Understand? It's also a magnet that sends out magnified current. I could just easily well put this back right here and it does not cause any problem, because that's right there is grounds, and this is also a live end that come like the arc that into my hands right here. So I'm going to go ahead and power up this unit so you guys could take a quick look at it and see how it's work. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. This right here is the turn on button. It's a switch that go off and on to turn off all these high voltage current. This is a turn up knob that I've created from an iron. You know, when you're turning up the iron like this, turning it down or turn it right like this, turn it up. Yeah, this is also a rectifier, can rectify the current to also another DC level. And this is not really necessary. This right here is not really necessary. It's a AC gauge that, you know, have some small little backer that pump AC fluid. I just picked off the gauge off it and slap it on this, so when the compressor is running it does not leak out any oil. Yeah, so this is all 4 capacitor I've been using on it. I believe this capacitor right here is it's maybe a 350 voltage capacitor, and also this one too, and this is maybe like 120. This is also 110 maybe voltage, 200 voltage capacitor, and also this is maybe more than that one. It's the same thing as this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on this unit so you guys could have a look at it.